In our life, there are certain very important topics which need to be discussed, but because of society taboos, we are unable to do so. Since childhood, we are groomed in a way that we feel shame while talking them to our parents. We also hesitate to open up with other people, thinking what they will think about us. And because of this, we are always deprived of correct information. Today in this video, we will talk about very serious and emotional topic and take expert advice from psychiatrist Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma about what is sexual identity, what is gender identity, what is gender role, and what is sexual orientation. When a child is born, from its sex organ we can tell whether it's a boy or a girl. And even we can test it. If it is XX chromosome, then it's a girl, and if it is XY chromosome, it's a boy. In some babies, sex organs are not fully developed. In that case, we need to consult a doctor. When child is identified as girl or a boy on the basis of its sex organ, it's called its sexual identity. What a person think about itself in its mind is called its gender identity. By the age of 3 years, child is able to distinguish between males and females, and they are very well aware whether they are girl or a boy. And they also get to understand it by observing their sexual organs. By this age, girls and boys start showing distinguish in their behavior and their interest. Girls subconsciously start imitating their mothers, and boys tries to copy their father. Mostly up to the age of 5 to 13 years, boys likes to play with other boys and girls likes to play with other girls. Boys like outdoor activities as compared to girls like talking and playing indoor games. Gender identity becomes so strong that young boy as 3-year-old don't like to wear pink color dresses, and he like the stuff which have pictures of Spider-Man or Superman, and girls also like to play with their Barbie dolls and other soft toys. On the other hand, some children know whether they are girl or boy, but they are more interested in opposite sex activities. Like some young boys like to do makeup like their mothers and even like to dress up like girls. Instead of boys, they enjoy playing with other girls. Similarly, some girls like to dress up like boys, talk like boys, and enjoy doing physical activities like boys. This behavior does not indicate anything about sexual desire, but due to this behavior and lack of awareness and knowledge, parents misunderstand their kids and get angry, and in anger they also throw their things and even sometimes become physical. Because of this, the child feels very lonely, very sad, and extremely unhappy. Child is unable to express itself, nobody understands him, and everyone become very angry and very upset with him. Dr. Rajiv Sharma says child don't have any control over this. He or she is born in this way. Behaving in this way is not his mistake. Parents need to be aware and have to understand that child don't have any control for his feelings. This is the way he was born. So it's become our responsibility as a parent to understand the feeling of the child, what he is going through, and give them utmost love and care so that they can also live the normal life and enjoy their life happily. We all say that girls and boys are equal. Absolutely, when it comes to human rights, girls and boys are equal. But biologically, males and females are very different. Men are masculine and women are feminine. For example, if there is a newly married couple and if they are going for a honeymoon, all the heavy luggage will be carried by the husband. And if we are traveling in a bus or a train or a metro, and if there is a vacant seat, the first priority will always be ladies. If going out for a picnic and a car tire got punctured, obviously the men in the car will do the needful. If kids like to share or express something, they like to go to their mother. Means our roles are defined by our gender. Any muscular task is easy for men, and anything emotional, loving, caring, and understanding other people is more easy for a woman. Even if we look back in history, during the war, men used to make troops and go together to fight, and women used to take care of other family members and children at the home. As it is easy for female to understand the emotion of other people very well, so sometimes wives get really annoyed with their husband because he is not able to understand what she is trying to say, and on the other hand, she find her best friend to more understanding towards her feeling and what she is trying to say. Males have hormone testosterone. Because of this, doing stunts on bikes, fast driving give them lots of excitement and fun. And for female, work of precision and focus is much more easy. When a baby cries, for father the baby is just crying, but mother can even tell if baby is crying with hunger or sleep or in pain or because of some other reason. In small towns or villages, gender roles are more clearly distinguished. But as we move towards the bigger cities, because of males and females do equal amount of work and similar type of work, these roles become blurred. Gender roles are defined by our religion, which country we live in, what is the culture of the place, and all these factors together club up to define the gender roles. Now we will talk about a very important topic, sexual orientation. It is heterosexual. Heterosexual means opposite sex people attract each other. Girls like boys and boys like girls for their physical relationship or sex. The next is homosexual. Homo means similar type. Means girls like to have physical relationship or sex with other girls and boys like to have physical relationship or sex with other boys. When girls like girls, they are called lesbian, and when boys like boys, they are called gay. Number 3 is bisexual. Bi means two. Means both the boys and girls are equally attracted towards other boys and other girls, and they enjoy having sex and physical relationship with either of the sexes. As per medical terms, all these three types of physical attraction are absolutely normal. David Hawking stated in his book, "The presence of homosexuality does not appear to be a matter of choice. A person is born as homosexual or heterosexual." But in our society, we do have group of people who are against homosexuality, gay and lesbian relationship. But if somebody is homosexual, it doesn't give them any right to control the other people's life of decision and their choices. In many other countries, homosexuality was already legal. So many people used to settle in other countries because it was not allowed in India. But now under section 377, homosexuality has been decriminalized in India. But only by law things won't change. We as a society need to change our opinion and our views on it. Family members need to understand their child problems, their stress, their tension, their pressure, which all they go through. Their loneliness, they need to understand how many difficulties they have to face to live their daily basis of life. We have to open up and talk openly about this topic so that all these people can live their life like normal human beings and enjoy the equal rights. Maybe some social committees or religion paths do not support this, but as per science, miracle and law, this is absolutely normal and everyone have equal right to live the life the way they want. We at Beautiful Mind Academy with Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma support, help and respect all these people for their choices and their rights. We can understand their pain only when we'll get to know that since childhood they have to go through so much of pain and struggle. In school, other kids start taunting them, commenting on them, despite of the fact they are equally intelligent, equally smart, but still due to some social pressure they have to even decide to quit their school. Some of them who are able to finish their school at office, they feel very lonely and low confident, and they don't feel comfortable while talking and sharing with other people because of the fear and insecurities in their mind. Family members don't understand them and parents become so emotional, so angry that they sometimes forcefully arrange marriage for their kids. Some innocent girls who have been married to a gay or a homosexual, they become extremely sad and lonely because there is no physical relationship between them. They don't have any pregnancy, and because of this, boy's family member curse and taunt girl for not having kids. They are unable to share their pain and feelings with anyone, and even sometimes some of them have committed suicide. These days there are various secret Facebook chat groups where at least these women are able to share their pain and loneliness with other women going through similar traumas and struggle. Once there was a multi-millionaire business family. Their son was extremely smart, very handsome, very good looking and highly intelligent. But he was gay, homosexual, so he was hesitant to share this with his parents and decided to work in America in a multinational company with a package of crores yearly. After some time, parents called him to come back to India and get married and sent him the picture of the girl. The girl was extremely beautiful, so he liked her and thought maybe after marriage my sexual orientation may change. It was a big fat Indian wedding. They traveled around the world for the best places for their honeymoon. But even after 1.5 years of their marriage, they didn't have any sex between them. Because of this, the girl was really upset, very sad and very depressed. So she shared this with the father. Father became really sad. After visiting 6 psychiatrists, at 7th number he visited Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma and told, "Doctor, please do something, change my son's feeling, give him some medicine, do something, make him normal." Dr. Rajiv told he's absolutely normal, nothing is wrong with him. As a father, he need to understand his son's feeling and it cannot be changed because he is born as homosexual. So nothing can be done as medically it's not a problem. Once a old man visited clinic folding his hands and requesting, "Doctor, either you give my son some medicine or do some test, or you can even operate him or give him some kind of injection." He even went to the extent of saying that you can also give him some electric shock, but make him correct, make him okay. Dr. Rajiv Sharma says in such situations it becomes extremely difficult to make parents understand that there is nothing that could be done, as it is not in the child's hand and it's not any kind of a medical problem. That's the reason through this video we want to share with people that this is a very normal behavior and these people have equal right to live the life the way they want. If you also wish to help more and more number of people, then do share this video. People get aware about this, that these people are absolutely normal people and they have equal right to live their life according to way they want and according to their choices. So it becomes extremely important to spread this information and let them live the life they want. As we have already discussed, these people are extremely intelligent and equally smart, but in some fields they are highly creative and artistic. They have changed the face of fashion industry. Many Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities are there who are homosexual, who are bisexual. They have made a big mark in makeup industry. Some people think that this all came because of the influence from the other Western countries, but this was always there. Be it from the time of Mahabharata, where Shikhandi was a female in the body of a male, or be it Alauddin Khilji, who was a bisexual, or be it Leonardo da Vinci, the biggest scientist, painter, mathematician of the history, who was homosexual. Now even in Bollywood, number of people have opened up about their sexual orientation, about their homosexuality. These people are a very important part of our life and our society. Dr. Rajiv and I, Monica, in Beautiful Mind Academy have a mission to share the right information which could help million and million of people. And if you wish to be part of our mission by helping people, please like and share this video on different social media so that this can reach to more and more number of people who need to be aware of this important information. Please share and comment your views. How can just by spreading the right information one can help many other people. Press the bell icon to get immediate notification about a new video. We'll keep on making such informative videos. If you don't want to miss, please click the subscribe button.